Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're gonna see how to fix page is not available right now issue on the Instagram. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let's dive into the video. Step 1. Check if Instagram is down. For that, go to the down detector sites and check the Instagram status on this. And you can see there's a report about the outage. If you see any outage here, and wait a couple of hours and it automatically get back to live. If it's not, let's do the step 2. Step 2, refresh your login session. For that, go to Instagram, open it and click your profile icon and click this 3 bar and log out the Instagram. Once you log out and open Instagram again, so this will clear the temporary session glitch. Step 3, clear cache on your mobile. For iPhone, just go to the Instagram and hold it tight and delete the Instagram. For Android, you can go to setting, apps, Instagram, storage and clear the cache and reopen the Instagram. Step 4, try another device to log in on Instagram app or check on your browser. For that, open your Chrome browser or Safari and go to the instagram.com and provide your username and password and log into that. If you can successfully log in, it's more about your Instagram app issue, or if you couldn't log in, it can be your account or it can be a global issue. Wait until Instagram fix it. Step 5, make sure to update the Instagram app. So for that, go to the App Store and search Instagram, and if you can see any update option here, make sure to click on that. If you have an outdated Instagram version, it mostly causes error, so make sure to update your Instagram. Step 6, make sure to check your account status. For that, go to Instagram and click on your profile icon and you can see a menu icon. Click on that and scroll down to the bottom and you can see option called account status. Click on that. On your account status, see if Instagram has restricted or flagged your account. Step 7, trying to completely reinstall the Instagram. For that, minimize the Instagram and hold on it and delete the Instagram and go to the Play Store, search for Instagram and install it. And this way we can completely clear the cache and install the app. If none of this work, Instagram isn't down, it's usually a temporary account or server issue that can be resolved itself within 24 hours. So wait for that and open Instagram. That's all about this video. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.